Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Arizona State Fairgrounds, or near Levine, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Glendale, Scottsdale, Tempe, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Levine, Tempe Marketplace, Papago Park, Piestewa Peak Park, Deer Valley Airport, Salt River Indian Community, North Mountain Park, and South Phoenix. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 136 and 155. Arizona Interstate 17 between mile markers 195 and 215. Arizona Route 51 between mile markers 1 and 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,